Hello guys, you're welcome to 4NA Media, and on this video I'm going to show you guys how to monetize your Audiomack. Yeah, many people used to ask me like if there is any way to monetize Audiomack, that they have been on Audiomack for years now, and they haven't been able to earn even $1 from Audiomack. So on this video, my brothers and sisters, I want to teach you guys how to monetize your Audiomack, and I want to also show you the things you need to do before you get monetized on Audiomack. Understand? So it's not just like coming up and start making money. Understand? You need to go do process before you get monetized. Understand? And right as it stands right now, the Audiomack is not really available. The Audiomack monetization is not really available in Africa right now, but most of us do bypass because we use strong VPN. Understand? Like if you use VPN, you can bypass, but you got to be steady with your VPN anytime you want to log in to your Audiomack account, because it can be banned if they find out that you're not in those states that they enable to be monetized. Like, for instance, Audiomack is making it easier to do just that with expansion of the Audiomack monetization program, AMP, now open to all creators in United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. These are the only countries that can monetize their Audiomack accounts at the moment. But as an African, yeah, you can monetize your Audiomack account, but you got to be steady with your VPN each time you want to log into your Audiomack account. Understand? So to monetize your Audiomack account, number one, you need to become an authenticated artist on Audiomack. Understand? Say, how do I become an authenticated artist? If you want to become an authenticated artist, then you will need to apply for that. Understand? You need to apply. You need to apply. Then you apply. They said learn more on how to apply for an authenticated. Understand? But for now, this is not what we are here to do right now. Today, I'm just here to tell you the tips on what to do to get your Audiomack monetized. Maybe I'm going to make a video on how to apply for authentication, understand, on my next video. So after watching this video, make sure you subscribe to watch my next video. Okay, so once you are authenticated artist, look at me right now. I want to show you something. Look at me right here. You see I'm verified. I'm an authenticated artist. Just take a look. You see that I'm verified. What I mean to be authenticated artist is to get this verification, this black tick. You see, once I click on it, you see it will pop out authenticated artist. So once you are an authenticated artist on Audiomack, you can apply for anything on the Audiomack. You can apply for trend. Like if you upload your song and you want your song to trend, you can apply for trend. You can you can do anything you want once you are on an authenticated artist. That's the number one thing to do. That's the number one way to your monetization step. So as I was saying, once you are now authenticated, the next thing to do is to build your audience. Understand? Try grow your audience so that you can actually get at least 10,000 streams. Are you seeing it here? At least 10,000 streams. You get at least 10,000 streams within the last year. Understand? Within 12 months. Understand? You need to get at least 10,000 streams on your account. So once you have 10,000 streams, then at least 1,000 followers, 10,000 streams and 1,000 followers. That's what you need. Understand? Once you have them, you can actually apply. So let me show you something. Let me show you something. Like, let me go to my artist creators dashboard. Okay, these are my creators. This is my creators dashboard. Understand? So then we come to monetization. Here's monetization. Like if you want to apply, once you are now an authenticated artist and you have 10,000 streams on your Audiomack account, you have up to 1,000 followers on your Audiomack account. Understand? And you've released up to 5 tracks. Understand? You've released up to 5 tracks in your account. Understand? If you have below 5 tracks on your account, you can't request for monetization. They will bounce you back. You need at least 5 tracks that is originally yours, and of 1,000 followers and at least 10,000 streams. Understand? Once you have that, then and you are authenticated, you go to your creators dashboard, then come to this monetization. That's how to monetize. I'm teaching you now how to monetize your Audiomack account. Then you click on this. If you click on the monetization, you will come here, they will tell you get paid for your streams. Monetization for all. Our mission is to give artists complete control on their career. Understand? See, this if you get like 1.19 million streams, this is your revenue. You gain 915.75 cents. Understand? It's not small. It's big. At least like Audiomack. I think Audiomack pays more than YouTube. Understand? Because I have my YouTube, one of my YouTube channel, and I have like 1 point something million views, and I didn't get up to this on the video. At least I got up. I think I got up about 500 and something dollars. Yeah, well, this one is 900 and something dollars. That's close to $1,000 for 1.19 million streams. Understand? So you see, like Audiomack pays. Don't listen to those people that say the Audiomack doesn't pay. So once you get here, the next step to take is to apply for AMP. That's Audiomack Monetization Program. Understand? You apply for it. Click on apply. So here is my account. Understand? So they will tell you you can apply at you see what they told me. You cannot apply at this time. Authenticated creators located in countries are eligible to apply. So if I click here, I will see the country that is eligible to apply. But right now, my country is not eligible to apply. So for me to apply, I need to go through VPN and then change my location to either United Kingdom or United States of America or Canada for me to be able to apply. You see, I'm now authenticated. This one is already tick good. And my location, you see my location is not good. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to go back and change my location. Let's see what will happen. I'm going to change my location. You're still there, right? I'm coming. So I'm going to change my location. It's still loading, guys. So you got to chill. Still loading. Log in. Okay. Guys, I think I have lost my this thing, my password, understand, on this. So what I'm trying to let you guys know is that once you change your location, then The next step, this place will just click tip. Then what you do is that you click on this apply under here. Understand? You click on this apply. Once you click on this apply, they will tell you that they will review. You should give them few days to review. So after their review, then what they are going to review is that they will review to know if you have up to 1,000 followers, if you have up to 10,000 streams on your account, and if you have up to up to 5 songs on your account, and lastly, if you are an authenticated artist, understand, once they check it, and they will check the copyright, understand, if the song that's on your account is originally yours. After the review, then they will now accept you. Once they accept you, this black tick, this black tick, this black tick will now change to yellow. Once this black tick change to yellow, if you go back to that monetization, you will see your dashboard, you see how your streams are going and how everything is going. That's how it's works. So you can actually monetize your Audiomack if you're from Africa, and if you are in the United States, it's very easy way. What they said, they will Audiomack monetization program will be available in Africa this 2021, and we are still waiting. It will be available in Africa and some countries as well. Understand? This 2021, and we're still waiting. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. We love you guys, and I celebrate you guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end, and I love you so much. So I would like you to subscribe, comment. Don't stop commenting. Comment like 5 times, like, and wait for our next videos. We love you. Remain blessed. Thank you.